Good morning, 10th class students. Today we will solve our question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from sea level, the angle of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So first we will draw a diagram here. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. So first we will draw a lighthouse. Suppose this is our lighthouse and this is the base, and the angle of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 40 degree, because given it is given in a that angle of depression means man is standing on here top of the lighthouse and observing the two ships. Suppose one ship here and second ship here, and observing from the top of a lighthouse, and he is observing from the top of lighthouse and the horizontal level of his eyes. This one, suppose P point, this one A, B, C and D, and here depression angle here 30 degree, and we know that it will be elevation from by taking alternate angle PAB equal to PAB is one equal to angle ABD. Angle ABD equal to 30 degree because of alternate angle, because PA and BD are parallel and AB is a transversal line. Similarly, angle PAC, angle PAC, this one here we can draw a line from here PAC 45 degree equal to ACD. This will be same as 45 degree, because PA and BD are parallel and AC is a transversal line. So now lighthouse height is 75 meter. Since lighthouse is perpendicular to the ground, therefore angle ADB equal to 90 degree. So therefore in right triangle, first we will take right triangle ACD, tan theta means ACD angle 45 degree, tan theta tan 45 equal to AD upon CD. Tan 45 value 1 and AD 75 upon CD, which implies CD equal to 75 meter. Now in triangle A B D, in triangle A B and D, tan 30 equal to perpendicular over base, perpendicular over base, base is BD. Tan 30 1 by root 3 and AD 75, BD remain as it is by taking cross multiplying. BD equal to 75 into root 3. Now we have to find the distance between the two ships. Suppose two ships are placed on here point B and C. Distance between the two ships BC, we have to find the value of BC. So now BD can be written as BC plus CD, and BD is 75 root 3, and BC we have to find the value of BC plus CD. CD is 75. 75 minus equal to BC. Taking 75 common, root 3 minus 1 equal to BC. This is the distance between the two ships B and C. If you find the exact value, putting the value of root 3, 1.73 minus 1, this will be equal to 75 multiply 0.73, and you can multiply 75 with the 73, 5745. This will be equal to 54.75 meter distance between the two ships. Thank you.